What's up guys, welcome back to another All for Fun video. Today we're gonna go snowboarding at Stevens Pass. It's our first time there. We actually haven't been yet. Should be pretty fun. Luke, you psyched?
What did you say?
Are you psyched?
Yeah.
That was not a...
I'm remembering my lunch, that's a good start.
Oh,
that's
better than last time, right?
$10.
Right?
I'm gonna crash and die on video out here. I don't know where to put this. Colin's gonna be in here.
Dude, who knows?
I don't know.
Autofocus is going hard in the dark right now.
It's going hard in the dark. I'll put it in your spare tire, did it?
Whoa.
Are you checking out? I just realized this is the new camera.
Heck yeah.
Do you guys like? It's not that slick. I'm kind of disappointed.
No. What is it, Luke? But don't swear.
It's frigged. It's messed up.
Yeah.
And everybody has custom license plates out here too.
Apparently.
Does it say pay?
I don't know.
Pay you first.
Oh, hey, that's a good one.
I can't see far enough down.
I can't see.
I wasn't recording any of that.
I'm really not. Oh my god.
That's pretty awesome. Okay. We're waiting in the overflow line.
Second overflow line.
Second overflow line.
We got here at
First one was full. Now it's 9:20 and we might get a parking spot.
It's
we
looking
hope.
promising, but if we get turned out like last car, we're like maybe 6 from the front right now.
So we're getting there. What do you think, Colin?
I don't think anymore.
I can't think anymore.
Was it Colin?
No.
All right, guys. Thanks for watching. We had a ton of fun up at Stevens. We're not at Mission. Keep thinking we are. Awesome day. Good powder. Had some good runs. I wish we could add more like solid powder, but it was fun.
I practiced snow gymnastics.
Right? Did you guys see the clip of him crashing? We'll cut to that right now.
That was awesome.
That was awesome. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. And remember, it's all for fun.